Welcome to CBSE Science Experiments. Today I am going to discuss about the life cycle or alternation of generation of a fern, that is pteridophyte. You can see here one pteridophyte plant is given and fern is there. In that fern, this is actually sporophytic plant. Sporophytic plant means it is 2n. Okay, chromosome number is 2n. Its total life cycle complete in alternation of generation form, that is n and 2n. These two types of generation is there, and this is sporophytic plant, that's why it is 2n. And you can see this is actually this type of fern or pteridophyte is having sarcinate venation. You can see this is the sarcinate venation. This type of venation, you can see this type of venation is sarcinate venation. Means this is the young leaf, and young leaf structure is this type of folded structure or coiled structure is there. So that's why this type of venation is sarcinate venation, and this type of venation can be seen in the case of cycas plant also. Okay, so I'll try to show cycas plant's sarcinate venation also if possible. This sporophytic plant is having all the major parts, means it's have true root, true stem, and true leaf-like structure, true leaf. And sorry, and this is the first vascular plant, means its vascular system is present, means xylem and phloem is present. Algae does not have any vascular plant, does not have any vascular system. Fungi also does not have any vascular system. But in this pteridophyte, in the case of pteridophyte, vascular system is present. Okay, so that is the matter. And its true root is present, true stem is present. And you can see already in my previous video, already I explained about it. Just at the back side of the leaf, you can see this dot structure. This is actually sorus. Within the sorus, sporangium is present, and or sporangia, in plural form is sporangia, singular form is sporangium. So many sporangiums are present, and within the sporangium, spores are there. That spores are actually n. Chromosome number of that spore is n, means that is actually n number of chromosome is there. So when from spore, from sporangium spore comes out, then that spore will generate a gametophytic plant. Gametophytic plant means their gametophytic generation will start. Okay, so that is the matter. And so just now I will show you how the full life cycle happened in this type of fern or pteridophytic plant. Before that, I want to show you the sarcinate venation of cycas also. You can see these are the sarcinate venation. So here just you see in the alternation of generation of pteridophytic plant, first sporophytic generation is there, sporophytic generation. The main plant body is actually sporophytic plant body, that is 2n, And from sporophytic plant body, spore will be developed. Spore, sorry. Spore will be developed. That spore is N. Chromosome number of spore is N. And that spore will produce gametophytic plant. Gametophytic plant. And that gametophytic plant means actually, that is N. So from there, from gametophytic plant, archegonium and antheridium one part is the two parts are there. From archegonium, actually archegonium is the female part and antheridium is the male part. From there, sperm and ovum will develop. So suppose from this gametophytic plant, sperm developed and egg developed. Sperm is also obviously it is N and egg also N. Then sperm and egg both will combine to form zygote. Here zygote is actually 2N, and from that zygote again the sporophytic plant will develop. So this is the full alternation of generation. From sporophytic plant, spore will develop, spore to gametophytic plant. Gametophytic plant will develop, will produce sperm and egg. Sperm and egg will fuse to form zygote, that is 2N, and that 2N, from this 2N again sporophytic plant will be developed. This is actually called alternation of generation. Alternation of generation. Means sporophytic generation and gametophytic generation both are included in its life cycle. In the life cycle of fern. That's why it is called alternation of generation, and fern is one type of pteridophyte. Okay, so these are some explanation regarding the alternation of generation of fern or pteridophyte. Today up to this much. Thank you.